Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christy and I am a reseller on Poshmark, eBay, Mercari, some Facebook Marketplace. I'm hoping to do a little bit more of that here in Q4, but we'll see. So today I'm going to do a what sold video. I haven't done one of these in a while, so last few weeks haven't been that great sale wise. This week between Thursday and Sunday I had 7. The week before that, I only had like 4 or 5. The week before that, I had 15. So the last couple weeks have been kind of a little bit slow. But I figured I would just do one of these. I haven't done a video in about a week or so. And I have a few new subscribers. So I always like seeing what's selling for other people. Just to kind of see what other people are buying. And just curious. So without further ado, let's get started. So, like I said, over the weekend I sold 7 items. All 7 of those, total revenue was, or total sale plus shipping, gross sales was $205.09. After take away shipping, fees, and cost of goods, I made roughly about $110 in profit between those 7 items. So we'll get started with what I sold. So this here is a mattress protector. I believe it's a full-size mattress protector. I sold that for $22 plus shipping. And I got this out of a liquidation box or a pallet that I bought. And then the best thing that I sold this weekend was this men's Elgin watch, 10 karat gold plated. I sold that for $53. I sold it for $45 plus shipping, which equaled out to be about $53. I bought this. If you guys don't know or if you've never tried it out, Goodwill actually has a website online with auctions. And you gotta be really careful when you buy stuff on there, but you can find good deals. And for a while there, I was into watches. And like I said, I bought this watch in a lot. And it probably cost me $3 or $4. So if you go on there, you can get some good deals on some things. Watches do really sell really well. That's the second watch I've sold in the last week and a half. So they do have a good sell-through rate if you look them up on eBay and just put in certain brand watches, or and just look at the solds versus how many are listed, and they actually do pretty well. This is another item that I got out of the same pallet that the mattress protector was in. These are 2 different covers for a baby's changing table cover on the pad, so you can take it off and wash it and you don't get the pad dirty. They're really super soft. I sold this for $17.77, free shipping. And then this, I'm not taking it out of the package because I already have it all packed up, but it was a woman's blouse made by Bentley. It's vintage, and I had it for quite a while. I got it from the Goodwill bins, so I paid $1 for it. So I sold it for $9 plus $4 shipping. I just took that offer to kind of try to get it moving, get it out of here. This, I believe, is one of my retail arbitrage. I don't do it really often. I don't have time to do it, but I used to do it. It's a where's the name? Banana Republic men's suit jacket. So I sold this for, I think it was $20 plus shipping. So not great, but okay. And let's see, then I sold these pair of Dansko women's shoes. They're all leather. They're awesome. They're actually really super soft leather. And I sold these for $15. No, the other shoes are $15. These were, I don't remember, somewhere in the 20s. See, I put everything, I wrote it all down, but I don't remember which order I did it. And then I have these pair of, this is my one Poshmark sale for the weekend. This is a pair of Ginny Binny leather boots. And I sold these for $15. Of course, on Poshmark, everything's out, so my profit after everything was $12. And I got these at the bins for $1. My last order, or my last thing that I sold is a men's pair of clippers. I don't remember the brand. But I got that also in a pallet that I bought. And yeah, so those are all my sales. I know for Q4, I'm going to start buying try to buy some more liquidation stuff. Right now, I do have a full-time job, so I only do this very, very part-time. Like, very part-time. Way more part-time than what I would like. But my job right now, I'm away from the house probably 50 to 60 hours a week. And then my family, my ranch, animals, my kids. So this comes last out of everything else. And so I don't have a lot of time to source. I don't have time to go to the bins anymore like I'd like to. I don't have time to really go sourcing at thrift stores, garage sales. I don't have time to spend hours out looking for product. So I'm going to start trying to source by getting liquidation, either pallets, lots. Today I should be getting a box in from Bargain Hour. And I will do an unboxing video on that so you guys can see what they have. So far, all the videos that I've seen have been awesome. Like, they've got really great stuff. All the boxes that I saw were electronic boxes. I got a mixed clothing and jewelry box, only because in my pallets that I have bought, I haven't had a great success with electronics because I'm not really electronically inclined. So if there were things that were a little bit broken, or I'm not really good at testing that kind of stuff, so I didn't want to sell somebody something broken. But everything that everybody else is getting seems to all, either for the most part, be brand new or very gently used. If they were used and returned, they've all been in really good condition. So I might try one of those next. So I'm new to doing YouTube, as you can see. I don't have a great space at the moment. I hopefully will when we move into our new house, hopefully in a few months. I'll have a dedicated room for that. And yeah. Man. Also, I don't do any editing. So you get to see all my bloopers, everything as it happens. So at the moment, I'm doing this on my phone. No editing. I know it's not the best videos. Hopefully you guys stick with me. They will get better. So yeah, hopefully you will see me again either this evening, or I might release the video tomorrow, just depending on how late UPS gets here with the box. So yeah, look out for that in the next couple of days. Remember to like, subscribe, ring that little bell so you get notifications when I have new videos. I'm hoping to try to put out more videos. I'm only doing roughly about one a week right now. I'm hoping to try to ramp that up a couple, 2 to 3 a week. So yeah, stick with me. They will get better. This is true real life from somebody who's just doing this very part-time of what you can accomplish, even if you have a full-time job and a family and everything else to work around. You can do it. With that, no further ado, I will let you guys go and hopefully see you guys this evening or tomorrow. Have a great Monday afternoon, everybody. Bye.